I'm Koen Maes. I am a software developer by trade, but for the purpose of this team, I am the IT technician. So I tend to deal with all the technical problems, either with the gear, the equipment, the software, or the data. So the biggest problem we typically face, or that I typically face in my day-to-day, is data, which might surprise some of you. It's because the models that we are generating demand a huge amount of data to process. And we work in the field, so we don't usually have an internet connection. So when we are gathering data and backing data up, we're usually doing it in the field using hardware. And it takes a tremendous amount of time to do the transfers. We also have to coordinate the data transfer between the various teams. Obviously, everybody's recording data that needs to be brought together centrally to generate these models. And therefore, the coordination between these teams and bringing it all together is very time-consuming and is often very disruptive to the team. So we have to find time in between tasks to make this happen. So I would say that our hard drives are usually spinning 24/7 in order to transfer the data to the various teams, from the various teams, and backing the data up as well, building that redundancy just in case something goes wrong.